Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily change DNS settings, or we can say DNS server in our Windows. So let's get started. First is you need to search for settings at the bottom search bar and then go for the best match. Just double tap to open, and when you are being redirected to the settings, let's just wait for a while first. So once you're being redirected here, go to the left side of it and go to Network and Internet. Or you can simply search for Network and Internet. Here, you need to go for Ethernet settings. Okay? So the moment you click Ethernet, you can see here IP assignment and DNS server assignment. Here, aligning this, you can see here Edit. Here, you just have to click that, and then this new window containing edit DNS settings will appear. Just have to make it manual. And as you can see, it has two options, IPv4, IPv6. Let's go for the IPv4 and turn this on. And then here you can input the DNS server that you preferred. I would recommend that you will go to the best DNS server, Google DNS, which is 8.8.8.8. Okay? And the alternative DNS will be 8.8.4.4. Okay, then simply saved. Okay, and now the DNS server will, under the manual, will says here the DNS server preferred one is 8.8.8, and the alternative one will be 8.8.4.4. Okay. So that is the easy step on how to edit or change the DNS server of your Windows. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to be updated for more upcoming video tutorials. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.